Hello YouTubes. Last week I had a window of opportunity to repair my rusty rocker panels. Well, that window is now closed. It may reopen in the next couple of days. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different that I teased you about last week. I just need to move a couple of cars and get the truck closer to the garage door. I'm so used to my side steps, when they're not there I kind of fall out the truck. Let me show you what we're doing. I know you told me not to, but I did it anyway. Newish headlights. Actually, they're not even newish, they're quite old, but they're way better than what I've got. Probably doesn't pick it up in camera, but these are actually quite clouded, and the reflector on the inside is a bit corroded, shall we say, and you may have seen before. The other side's worse. You can see the clouding all the way along there. I've tried cleaning it and getting that off, but it's actually on the inside of the plastic. And as you saw before, full-size dragonfly in there, so that's just going to decompose and make a mess. It'd be quite funny if the light beam showed a dragonfly when you're driving along, you know, big dragonfly, but probably not. So I got a set of used but much cleaner. Plastic is still a little bit don't know the word, speckled, but the reflector is spotless on both. So pretty nice, $100 for the pair. That's okay. Oh, and I also bought a couple of LED bulbs for the full beam, because as you may know, I've got LEDs in the low beam, but not the full beam or the high beam. So fully LED headlights now. I just need to get bulbs for the fog lights. Okay, this is not going to be a headlight install video. I've done 2 or 3 of them already. I just want to get these swapped over, warm me up and get me ready to start cutting rocker panels off. So I'll see you in a few. Just a quick reminder of how garbage halogen bulbs are. That is supposed to be a high beam. Isn't it disgusting? Compared to shiny new LED, and I managed to get exactly the same colour as the dipped beam. Okay, now that I've blinded you, let me finish this side off. There we go then, good as new, or at least better than crap. And no giant prehistoric insects living inside. That'll do me. I do have another cosmetic mod that I'd like to take care of. I really shouldn't, but you know me, I probably will. At some point I managed to reverse my truck into something with a tailgate down, and I've got this lovely big crack along here. This bit of trim here is about $120 delivered from Amazon, so I might just go ahead and do that. And then when I take this off, I've got this little bit to attend to, this little bit here. And I did splash out and get the proper paint chip stick, so I need to be careful. I don't want to have to paint this whole section, but I do need to rub that down, get some rust treatment on it and get the touch-up stick, and that'll be the back end sorted. So place your bets, will I end up getting that new bit of trim? Before we move on, I do feel that I owe you an explanation and an apology as to why the videos have been so lacking and progress has been so slow. Get the smallest violin ready. Long story short, back pain. Been suffering for 6 months now, 24 hours a day, constant backache. No idea how this happened, what brought it on, but as you can imagine, lying in freezing cold tarmac in a driveway is not helping the situation, hence why I'm doing easy little jobs. So I'm not looking for sympathy and all that crap, just letting you know what's going on. Got a physio appointment today. I've been going a couple of weeks now. It's not really helping. I think I'm just getting old. So that's where we're at. Bear with me. I will be back to normal soon. I don't mind working out in the snow. You saw me build a whole hot rod in the snow a couple of years ago, so that's not the issue. But a constant ache, you know what it's like if you get to my age or older. These things happen, so life goes on. Right, in other news, and you're probably wondering why I'm holding my mug quite so prominently. I've got a new merch store, and today I'm going to start a little competition. Hold on, I need some of my coffee. Right, here's my little competition. I've added some new Scotrod's unique catchphrases, but I think I'm missing a few. So I want you to leave in the comment section what you would like on a t-shirt or any merch for that matter, a mug perhaps. And once I select my favourites, we'll do a little poll, see what everyone wants on the merch store, and whatever one I choose will win a t-shirt or mug or whatever I decide. See how rich I feel at the time. So that's a little competition. And you might also notice that on some of the videos at the bottom there's a whole merch store now added, which is pretty cool. I don't know if anyone will buy this stuff, but you know, it's worth a shot, right? Anyway, what else am I doing today? Not a lot. I've got my physio today, and then miraculously I'll be back to normal tomorrow. Oh, it sucks getting old. Could be worse. Could be in Buffalo. Yes, everyone has seen you guys getting completely destroyed by the snow. I hope you're digging out and staying warm. I'm sure we'll get our turn very soon, unfortunately. This time of year, I always say this, if you're a Patreon member or YouTube member, thank you very much, but please don't feel compelled to continue donating, especially around this time. I'd rather you spent the money on your family at Christmas. I do appreciate it, but as I say, there's more important things in life. Good news is the weather is supposed to get a little bit warmer for the rest of this week, so hopefully I can continue with the Ram. Get that rocker panel cut off, get the new section welded on, get some painting done, possibly at the weekend. Right, thanks for watching. Little update. Oh, and remember, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see on some Scotrod's merch, and you could win it. Take care, bye for now.